Hello guys, today I will solve the question unique Morse code words. The question number is 804 and the question type is easy. And the question statement is International Morse code defines a standard encoding where each letter is mapped to a series of dots and dashes as follows. For convenience, they have given these 26 letters of the English alphabet in a Morse code, and by this Morse code we can make a word, right? Like cab, we can take C from here, A from here and B from here, and we can concate this all these letters and we can make a word, right? Because you can see C is here, it is exactly same, and A is here, right? And B is here, and after merging all these C, A and B, this till here C, then then it is A, then it is B, right? So we can make a word like this. Now what they are saying we need to give different transformations of words among all words. How many different transformations are possible? Like we have given the words jin, jen, jig, message. We need to make the words in the Morse code. Like this will be jin, this will be jen, this is the jig, and this is the message, right? Now we need to check how many different transformations among all words. It is all words and different transformation is check. Isn't it the same? Like these two are the same. This Morse code, you can see it is this. It is exactly same. So we can add one, and these two are same. So one. So only two different transformations are possible. So you can see, you can check also, like where it is G, where it is I, and all it is right. I have checked it from these ports. You can check it from here. So what we need to do, we need to make words first, then store, we need to store these values, and we need to check how many different possibles uh, how many different possible answers are, how many different answers are possible. Sorry. So first what I did, I stored all these in a string, right? So we can check like the value of A, B and C like that. And I have make a unordered map. This unordered map for the storing the value, like when it will be this, and we will assign one. Once again when this will be for another word, we will assign one, right? Again. So we will not copy two times, because we will not copy multiple times. We will copy only one time. So we will make this key value to one only one times in unordered map. It is also fast, so it will also decrease the time consumption. And we have taken a for loop, and by the for loop we have made a string, and in each word size, in each word like A, B, C, I am making a word. Like you can see the string is a string plus a word I minus j. This is the word, like it is the integer, like it is a letter, it is I minus a. From here like this I can get this value, right? So I'm making that word in a Morse code, and after that Morse code I'm setting that Morse code to 1. It can happen that sometimes Jin and Jag, like what is here, Jin or Jan, Jan is same, right? So Jin will be, let's assume this thing, this string, and Jan will be also this string. So what this unordered map will do, it will set only one times. So we will have different transformation. We can return the size of the different transformation, because we will store only those values which have different transformation. So this will be the answer. So let's run and see how what is the time consumption and all. This is a similar code what I've showed you there. So you can see it's running smoothly, and thank you. I hope you will solve this by yourself. Thank you for listening.